friends, welcome back to Lessons with Twins. So today we are doing an experiment. What mixes and what doesn't.
So what all do we have?
Oil, sugar, ghee, salt, atta,
Okay.
then paint, sugar powder,
Okay.
honey, and turmeric powder.
Okay. So let's begin with. Okay, we have got.
Begin with 100% which will make salt.
Which one do you think will certainly mix?
Salt.
Let's start with salt. First one may add salt.
All
Huh? You
All.
can take a spoonful.
spoonful.
You can take this till there. Need to on the way too far. Yeah. Just give it a stir.
Is
Leave
it?
it. Now leave it. Let's move to the next, and we'll see everything after that. Okay. Next, let's pour some oil in this one.
Oil. 100%
Carefully.
wouldn't mix.
I can't see. Okay. Okay. So that's it. That's it, baby. Wow. Ayan, you take the ghee, put it in this one. No, to use the spoon.
Funny.
Just pick it up, leave it, and don't do anything. Just leave it and move back. Yes. Next, let's take honey now.
Bony, Tony.
Yeah. Anu, just pour it in one of the cups.
Next we are going to do paint. 100% paint. We are doing.
So now we have added honey. Okay. Next, shall we take turmeric?
Yes. I was referring paint as I said before.
Okay. What do you want to take? Paint first. Take paint in this one.
It's dry.
Ayansh, you didn't get brush for that. You want to use this?
Yeah. It's okay.
Yeah, we'll find a solution.
Well, both of these, when they mix, that's a solution.
Correct. When they get mixed, it's a solution. Yeah. Just leave the pencil in that. Leave it there. Yeah, we'll see what happens to that. Okay, next, Ayansh, take turmeric.
Turmeric powder.
It's here.
Yes, there it is.
Put it in
this
one. Okay. Alright, now leave it, baby.
That looks like orange juice.
Okay, now take sugar powder.
Powder. Sugar, lovely powder. Flour, but only flour.
Did you add anything in this?
No. Nope.
You can add sugar powder in this.
I won't
Okay,
add
add
this.
there.
That's
A
a
little
lot.
more? A little more? Yeah. Now in last, let's
Flour.
add that one.
Flower. This doesn't look like a flower.
Put the flour.
What happened to the salt?
Okay. Now just give it a slow stir.
Let's check up on the orange juice first. Orange juice. And that looks like milk.
No. Okay, so let's see from the beginning. First, what did we add?
Salt.
Salt.
That got mixed.
That got mixed. There's still some at the bottom, right?
It's mixing.
Where is sugar?
Sugar. Sugar we didn't put. We didn't put sugar. We put sugar powder.
We did sugar powder. We didn't do sugar.
Yep.
Okay.
But sugar would sugar mix or not?
Yeah. So sugar crystals will take more time to get dissolved when compared to sugar powder, which was here. Okay. Because the sugar powder is in a powder form. It's very small, so of course it will get
Faster.
easily mixed. How about salt? Salt is almost done. Turmeric. It has changed the color of the water also, right? What was this?
Even milk did.
Honey. How about the ghee?
He did.
It's still floating. For oil, bache, you have put too much of oil. That's why it looks like this. Otherwise, even the oil would be floating. Can you see in that? Still, there are those bubbles, right?
Yeah.
The oil would be floating. You have put.
It is floating.
It is floating. If I pick it up like this,
It is floating.
see, oil is floating. It will not
Look,
get
it's
mixed.
floating.
Yeah, and you can see through that. It looks so funny. Okay, just go back. And after this, I'm going to show you the video how your face looks when I see it through. Oh my god, you look so pretty. You want to see how Mama looks with that?
Yeah.
See through?
That type of funny, guys.
Okay. So
This
we
type of
see
funny.
that the oil is actually completely floating.
Floating.
So is our
Ghee.
ghee. Let's move this thing away.
Heater.
Ghee didn't get. How about turmeric?
Turmeric mixed.
It's mixed and it has also changed the.
Color. Look at black.
Look at the black one. Did it get mixed completely?
Yes.
Let's keep it here.
It's
Okay.
like Coke.
What's next?
Yeah, that's like Coke. Milk.
It was not milk.
I
What
forgot
was
what we kept. Yeah, sugar powder.
Sugar powder.
This is milk. Pediasure milk.
Oh no, please! It's not like this color.
It is.
This also got mixed and it has changed the color of the water also.
What did we put over there?
Mr. Salt.
Mr. Salt.
Yes.
We put here. We
Mr.
put
This was atta.
flour.
Flour.
Flowers.
Flour.
Flowers which don't look like flowers. Yeah.
Then this was salt.
Yeah. Salt.
And this was
Do you eat salt?
honey.
Yes. I eat salt.
Is it mixed? Is it floating? Is it settled down? See, it's settled down. It didn't get mixed. I can still see honey separately. You see?
Yeah.
We can see the strands of honey. It didn't get mixed in it.
Salt.
It's separate. Even this experiment is done to check the quality of honey. If it gets mixed properly in the water, if it dissolves completely, it's not a pure honey. But if it remains like this, it is a good quality of honey. Where does the honey come from?
Honey bees.
And they make their
Beehive.
yes. Great. So now after this, we are going to do few questions. Let me see who's going to answer quickly. You can take orange one.
Orange juice.
Not the orange juice. Ayansh, sit down there.
Then
Quickly. What is the first question that you have?
the substance that dissolves is called the solvent.
Acha?
Solute.
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 That's solute.
That's what you told. Solute.
Okay, next.
Spelling of solute.
You tell me.
SOLUTE.
Next.
The liquid which the solute dissolves is called the solute dissolves in the water.
Water is what?
A universal solvent.
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 Solvent. Yeah. Solvent. Okay. Then
Dash and dash.
dash and dash combined together are called solution. So what together is called solution?
The first two answers.
Yes. So right there, solvent and solute. UTE. Very good. Water is a universal.
Solvent.
Very good. So beautiful. It absorbs anything and everything in it.
It doesn't absorb.
Yeah, it does let the thing come into him. Let's see this one.
Salt.
So water. Did it mix with the water? Oh, sorry. Salt. Did it mix with the water? Put a tick. Okay, write a yes. Okay, then did it change the color of the water?
No. Wait, let me check.
So tick here.
Yes, it did.
Because actually water is which color?
Transparent.
Transparent. So yes, a little shade of that white will come in it.
Yes.
So you write here white.
Why can't I write yes bracket
Okay.
white?
Put a tick and write white. Next one for Ayan. Okay, sugar.
Wait, doesn't change coloring. Yes, no, yes, no.
Next, Ayan.
Sugar.
Sugar. This is for the crystals. So it takes time, but yes, eventually it does get mixed.
Yes. But no.
Okay. Does it change the color of the water? Again, it made the water little opaque, right? Or I can say translucent. Earlier it was transparent. Now it has become translucent. So it doesn't change the color really.
And that's salt.
There it is, over there.
Thick and white,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Are you drinking it?
No, don't.
Well, thank you for reminding me to right now.
Okay. Oil.
I
Ayansh, your turn.
Oil does not.
Okay, so write no over there.
Yeah.
Does it change the color?
Yes.
No.
Yes.
How did it change the color? It didn't even get mixed. It's on the top. The water is still translucent. It's transparent. You could see Mama through this, right?
Yeah.
They can see through, right?
I
So the-
can see you guys through it. I can't see you.
So the watercolor did not change.
So I don't
But
know.
what happens when water gets mixed in the seawater? Mixed as in it floats on the surface of the seawater with, leakage of some ship oil or something. What is it, that thing called? Is it good or bad for the...
Bad.
It is bad thing to happen. Who gets affected the most?
Marine animals.
And
Scuba divers.
plants also, right? The
That's what I was going to
marine
say.
life.
Plant.
And that is called water?
Solvent.
No. When something get mixed.
I know it. I know pollution.
Very good. Water pollution. Very good. Let's move
By
on.
the way, we kept the salt in the sea.
You kept the salt in the sea. Oh, I remember your story. So does it change the color of the water? No, it doesn't.
It doesn't change.
Yeah, this doesn't change the color. Next, same goes for ghee, right?
Right? Yes. Why?
Yes, it does not change the color of the water.
I'm going to copy his.
Yeah.
I'm going
Wow,
to copy
wow, what a way of writing. What a beautiful handwriting.
We should write that in an
Yeah.
English contest.
Same goes for ghee, right?
No?
Dun-ta-da, see? It's like a... Imagine. So imagine this to be an ocean and the glacier on the top.
It's like
Yeah.
both.
Glaciers are like this only. As much as you can see on the top, more than that are in the bottom. Bottom in the sense they are immersed in the water. Okay. Mr. Tick Tick, come here. Now your turn now.
I made salt also orange juice.
Very good. Come.
4. What's 4?
Maybe इसमें L भी है.
4 floor. 4 floor. But this building has 27 floor. This building has floor. Mixed with water. Yes.
Can we be little quick, please?
Yes. No. Right.
You can now put a tick and a cross. And hold the pen properly, bache.
Changes the color of water. Does it? Hey,
This also made it translucent.
Cross.
Ayan, next your turn.
Give. Can I copy his?
No, you check. Turmeric, what happened?
It mix.
It mixes, so.
I can copy.
Can you do it in 5 seconds? 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Anshi, can you do it in the next 5 seconds for paint?
Wait. Paint mixed with water.
1,
Oh.
2,
Paint doesn't
3.
mix with water.
4.
Paint changes the color of water.
Good boy. He's reading and doing it. You just copied the previous one. Okay. Now, when it comes to sugar powder, It's same as the sugar crystals, but yes, sugar crystals will take a little more time to get dissolved, whereas
So yes, no.
and instead of sugar crystals, if I would have put that big one, that mishri, you remember the rock types thing, big crystals, that would take even more time.
Yes.
Okay, yeah. Next, honey.
Honey.
Did it get mixed?
Honey, where is honey?
Honey over there,
Honey.
last one.
Oi.
I did tell you.
It does in Cuckoo. Changes the color of water. Yes.
A little, because just little got mixed in it.
It made it translucent.
Great.
Almost opaque.
Super. Chalo, say bye-bye to your friends. Eh?
Bye.